By definition, rubber are high polymers that possess elastic property in excess of what percent? Option A, 300%. Which plant is most important commercial source of natural rubber? Option B, heavy brassicas. What is the typical rubber hydrocarbon content found in raw latex? Option C, 30 to 36%. Which acid is commonly used in coagulated latex into a soft white mass? Option D, acetic acid. What is a major drawback of raw natural rubber regarding temperature? Option B, it is soft at high temperatures and brittle at low temperatures. The process of heating raw rubber with sulfur is to improve its properties is known as option D, vulcanization. How much does the tensile strength of rubber improve after vulcanization? Option D, from 200 kg per centimeter square to 2000 kg per centimeter square. What is the purpose of adding acid accelerators during the rubber compounding process? Option D, to increase the rate of curve. Which synthetic rubber is a copolymer of 75 butadiene and 25 styrene? Option B, SBR, Buna S. Which rubber is specifically known for its outstanding resistance to oil and fuel? Option D, nitrile rubber. Neoprene (GRM) is produced by the polymerization of which monomers? Option C, chloroprene. Which rubber possesses outstanding low permeability to air and gases? Option C, butyl rubber. Which type of rubber is used for solid propellant fuel in rocket motors? Option B, triglycerol. What is the primary characteristic of silicon rubber? Option A, it remains flexible in the temperature range of -90 to 250 degrees Celsius. In Indian Railways, which rubbers are primarily used for shock absorber and damper? Option D, NR and CR, natural rubber and neoprene. Which material is used in for piston packing cups in IR applications? Option C, NBR, nitrile. How much more energy can rubber store compared to tempered steel of equal weight? Option C, 150 times. During rubber storage, which metal act as poisoning agent and should be avoided? Option C, copper and manganese. What is the recommended maximum ambient temperature for storing rubber component? Option A, 30 degrees Celsius. Which storage principles should be followed for rubber component to ensure older stocks is used first? Option D, last in, first out. In the comparison table, which rubber has the highest price per kg? Option C. Which of the following is an example of an accelerator activator used in compounding? Option D, zinc oxide. What is the defining characteristic of monomers in the context of polymers? Option C, they are repeating atomic grouping that forms polymers. Compared to plastic and rubber, the intramolecular force of attraction is rubber is option D, less. What happened to the elasticity of a rubber as the extent of vulcanization increases significantly? Option D, it decreases. Which synthetic rubber is produced by reacting polyethylene with chlorine and sulfur dioxide? Option D, Aplon. What is the useful temperature range of vulcanized rubber? Option C, minus 40 to 100 degrees Celsius. Which of these is applicable to the surface of rubber component during storage to prevent sticking? Option D, French chalk or soapstone. Smoked rubber sheet are hung for about 4 days in a smokehouse. Maintained at what temperature? Option D, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Why is knowledge of rubber property and manufacturing required in Indian Railway? Option D, to upgrade the purchase systems and improve performance. Thank you.